If you've ever felt pulled in two different directions, your devotion to faith on one side and your love for science on the other, you're not alone. Many have felt this tension, from Galileo's struggles with the church to names like Darwin and Freud being labeled as heretics or misguided. History has often forced us to choose sides. Yet today, the technology we rely on, the medicines and treatments we benefit from, and countless aspects of our daily lives stem from discoveries made by these very individuals. It's natural to struggle to reconcile these two realms, and understandable to find it difficult to communicate with those who hold opposing views. This book introduces a fresh way of seeing the relationship between science and religion, not as enemies, but as partners working together for the future of humanity. It won't ask you to change your beliefs or accept ideas that make you uncomfortable. Instead, by exploring this perspective, you can gain a deeper appreciation for both the empirical, scientific methods and the wisdom found in ancient religious traditions. You might even find a new way to connect with others, united by a shared sense of responsibility for humanity's future. If this sounds intriguing, let's start by putting on our scientist's hat. We'll begin simply with scientific observations and deductions. Since the dawn of time, the universe has been unfolding, a continuous process of transformation, moving from elemental simplicity to remarkable complexity. Looking back, the universe converges at a single event, the Big Bang, where pure energy expanded outward. As it cooled, quarks formed, eventually coming together to create protons and neutrons. These particles formed the very first atoms, mainly hydrogen, which gathered into dense clouds, igniting into stars and illuminating the cosmos. Within the heart of these stars, hydrogen atoms fused into heavier elements. When stars ran out of fuel, they died and scattered these essential elements into space, seeding the cosmos with the potential for chemistry and eventually life. The simplest molecules formed first: water, ammonia, methane. These became building blocks for life as we know it. On the young Earth, energy from lightning and volcanic vents helped simple molecules combine into more complex forms, leading to chains of amino acids, lipids, and eventually RNA strands, setting life's first rhythm into motion. Tiny bubbles formed by lipids became the first cells. These single cells thrived and multiplied. Though we still don't fully understand every detail, these cells began cooperating, evolving into complex multicellular organisms. From these humble beginnings came the incredible diversity of life we see today, all branching from a shared origin. Among all these species, humans emerged with extraordinary gifts: intellect, behavior, and consciousness. We developed language, storytelling, culture, and eventually gained the unprecedented ability to shape our own destiny. Unlike earlier life forms, humans had the power to influence their environment and their evolutionary future. Nature favors cooperation. Bees build colonies, wolves hunt in packs, elephants protect their herds. Humans, too, thrive best when united, farming, building, healing, and dreaming together. Today, through the study of epigenetics, we've discovered that our choices ripple across generations. Encoded in our genes, influenced by nurture, marked by experiences of trauma or love, we are literally writing tomorrow's biology with today's behavior. As human societies developed, religion emerged as a moral compass, not simply as myth, but as a guide encouraging productive human development. Its core lessons, generosity, compassion, restraint, helped us curb destructive behaviors and thrive together in the stable communities. Across religious traditions, common virtues echo: mercy and suffering, justice and leadership, humility and strength. These values aren't just spiritually meaningful, they're strategic. They shape resilient, enduring societies and form a foundation for beneficial human evolution. When individualism becomes selfish, it corrodes our social fabric, fostering greed, conflict, and environmental harm. But balanced with a sense of collective purpose, individualism can strengthen communities, fostering harmony and sustainability. Now we stand at a crucial threshold. For the first time, we have the power to consciously guide our evolution. Through global connection, knowledge sharing, and empathy, we can become something greater: a planetary mind, a unified human collective. Our future lies before us, choosing cooperation over division, ethics over ego, spirit over self-interest, we can shape an evolution worthy of our origins. Our next evolutionary step isn't just biological, it's also moral. This is sacred evolution, a journey through science, faith, and shared purpose. Let's move forward together as one human family, united in wonder, guided by wisdom, and inspired by hope. Regardless of our faith or background, our future growth depends on our ability to work together. As you explore this book, consider the big picture presented by the virtues taught across various traditions. You'll see clearly how these lessons gently nudge humanity toward a greater existence. Each of us, regardless of faith, can contribute meaningfully, becoming part of something larger and more powerful than ourselves.